Hello. Already we discussed about the virtual work, its definition and its principle of virtual work. Today we shall discuss a problem so that it will be easy to solve the problem for you guys. Let's discuss a problem. Here it is a problem. A beam has been loaded and supported as shown in the figure. Use the method of virtual work to determine the reaction forces at the end support. See, this is the beam AB. Okay, so at the point A there is a vertical reaction force, and at the B there is a vertical reaction force, and again at the point C there is 10 kilonewton moving downward force, and at the point D there is 15 kilonewton which is moving downward. Now the distance between A and C is 2 meter, then CD is 1 meter, and from D to B is 2 meter. Now we have to calculate the reaction forces by using the virtual work method. So before going to find out the reaction forces by applying the principle of virtual work, we need to think about the imaginary displacement where the different forces acted. Okay, let's see. Consider that we need to calculate the reaction force at the point B. So consider that the vertical virtual displacement at the point B is del B by holding the point A in position. So what we will do now, we will keep the position A by holding. So here we can keep the point A so that there will be no imaginary displacement, only the imaginary displacement at the point B. So if there is the maximum imaginary displacement, then definitely at the point C and at the point D there will be some imaginary displacement. Now see, ACE is a right angle triangle, again ADEF is also a right angle triangle, and again ADBG is also a right angle triangle. So by putting the similarity equation of the triangles, what we will do, we can find the del C, del D and del B. So we need to calculate here the RB, so we will find out the del C and del D in terms of del B. So by putting the similarity of triangles. So what is the similarity of triangles? Now as we know, the triangle AC is similar to triangle ADF and similar to triangle ABG. So we will put the similarity equation, that is EC by AC is equal to FD by AD is equal to GB by AB. So here we can write, that is EC del C by AC is equal to FD, that is del D by AD is equal to GB, that is del B by AB. So here we can write del C by 2, so AC is 2, and again del D by 3, again del D by 3 is equal to del B by 5. So why 5? AB is equal to 5, again AD is equal to 3. Okay, now see, look into the equation. Here we can find the del C in terms of del B. So here we can find del C is equal to 2 by 5 del B, so that is 0.4 del B. Again we put the equation del D by 3 is equal to del B by 5. So del D is equal to 3 by 5 del B, so that is 0.6 del B. Okay, now by applying the principle of virtual work, that is sum of W is equal to 0. Now look into the diagram here. See what is the total work done. So at the point A, at the point C, at the point D and at the point B, there are 4 work done. But see, as we have considered that the point A is hold off, so there is no imaginary displacement. If there is no imaginary displacement, then work done at the point is 0. Then only the work done at the point C, work done at the point D and work done at the point B. See, this force is moving upward, so we can take the positive force. But here these two forces are moving downward, so we will take it negative. Okay, so we can write the equation. See, WA plus WB plus WC plus WD is equal to 0. So WA is 0. Now we can find out WB. So WB is equal to, see, look into the diagram here. So RB into this distance, force into perpendicular distance. So RB into distance is, that is force into the imaginary displacement. So force is RB into del B. So RB into del B. Then again minus 10 into del C. Again minus 15 into del D is equal to 0. So we need to calculate RB. So RB into del B is equal to, this will be 4, this is 10 into 0.4, 4 del B plus 9 del B. So we can take common del B, that will be 4 plus 9. Now del B is cancelled in both the side. So RB is equal to 13 kilonewton. Now by putting the equilibrium condition, that is sum of all vertical force is equal to 0. Now see, look into this diagram. Here all the upward vertical force will balance all the downward force. So we can write here, that is RA plus RB is equal to RA plus RB minus 10 minus 15 is equal to 0. So RA is equal to, this will be 25 minus RB. So 25 minus 13 is equal to 12 kilonewton. So hence RA is equal to 12 kilonewton and RB is equal to 13 kilonewton. Okay, in this way we can find out the different reaction forces by virtual work method. Okay.